Oh, so we just got out of the passport office. I found out last night that my passport was expired, so we went in this morning and applied for a new one. The guy said that it should be done by 1 o'clock. Just crossing my fingers it gets done by 1 o'clock so that I can go to Europe. Hey Kel, you excited?
Yeah.
I know, I'm pumped. Mom, are you excited? Oh, do that again. Yeah. We just got to the airport. Our flight leaves in like 30 minutes exactly. And right now we're just chilling. Bonn. We got here last night after traveling. No, we got here this morning. Oh my god. We've been traveling. We came from Calgary to London, then we waited in London for 5 hours, and then we flew to Amsterdam where we rented a car, and then we drove to Frankfurt where we stayed the night in a hotel in an airport, and then this morning we took the car and we drove to Bonn. Oh my god, the speed limits? Nuts here. Honestly, I can't actually believe it, because there's points where there's no speed limits and you just like, you're whipping 160 and you're like slowly passing some people. Some people are whipping by you going like 200 and you're like, what the fuck? And it's funny because at home, when you're going like 160, you're always just whipping past people, you know? Anyways, let's go.
They say history is written by the victor, so I don't mind playing the villain. Got a pretty girl to the throne. Guess the memories come and I can't even run. I gotta win this just to prove to me I can.
The great majority of those who died in Auschwitz were murdered in the gas chambers, although some found their death in the barracks and elsewhere.
Living and returning work commanders from the work.
Auschwitz right now. Fuck, dude, this is nuts. Like they built, I don't know how many camps he said. I think there was like 240 of those buildings over here. And then they would just use this whole runway here to like run thousands and thousands of Jews and people that they were gonna kill down there. They just wanted to speed up the process. And in 3 months they killed 500,000 people here in 1944. Just fucking crazy. I don't get it. Why do you kill so many people? One thing I can't get over is like we're standing where Nazis, Jews, all kinds of people like saw the exact same landscape scenery that we're seeing right now. It's scary, it's eerie. I don't like it. Oh look, there's a camera. And a sound guy. Okay, should we go with our group?
Fuck! Auschwitz is insane! How do you get so many pretzels crooked? How did like Hitler and the people that were under him and the people that were under them, like how did they all agree to just kill all these people? I don't get it. I thought like our sense of empathy was stronger, just like human nature, but I guess not. I grew up and I always heard people say, oh, fucking Pakis taking over our land, fucking Chinese people coming in taking all our jobs, blah blah blah. That is so bad. That's exactly what the Germans thought when they started killing all the Jews and Polacks and Slavs. Like, don't think like that if you're thinking like that, first of all. Second of all, if you want to get rid of them, then love them, have children with them, and in time your genetics will have passed on to those children and it will be gone. So you know what? If you want to get rid of someone you hate, start loving them. That's my advice. Anyways, right now we're heading to Budapest, Hungary. It's recording? I love Budapest. I love it. We've been driving all day now. It's like 6 o'clock. We're heading for Zermatt. Oh! Fuck, I'm excited for that. One of my favorite places in the world so far. Our plan is to sleep in the car tonight, and then we're gonna hop on a train tomorrow in some town close to Zermatt, because there's no cars in Zermatt, so you can't drive there. No roads to get there. So we gotta jump on a train to get in there. So we're gonna do that tomorrow.
I don't mind playing the villain. Got a pretty girl to the throne. Guess the memories gone, and I can't even run.
I went and got train tickets this morning from Brig to Zermatt. So we were just at Brig and we're at the train station and it said gate 14. So we went to the end of the hall to try and get gate 14, but it wasn't there. So we're like, fuck, it's probably outside. So we like go running, and the train is supposed to leave at 10:27. It's 10:25. It's like a 3-minute walk from like the end of the thing to outside. So we're like walking, and Kel's like, should we sprint? So I'm like, yeah. So we started sprinting, and we get outside, we see the train, we're like, whew. And we like walk across onto the platform, and the lady's like, to Zermatt? We're like, yeah. She's like, 10 seconds. We're like, what? So we like start sprinting, and the guy for the train like blows the horn and like waves. We like stops, and he's like, go, 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 push, like he's like signaling us to push the button. So we push the button and get on, and it leaves immediately, like as soon as we get on. Like you could not have asked for a more close call than that. It was crazy.
You're like all I ever wanted, but couldn't afford. I know you like feeling haunted. What a pretty girl leave you for. Because the memories go, and I can't even run. I gotta win this just to prove to me I can. I'll divide and I will conquer. I will battle like a warrior. If I'm dying, getting stronger. I'll divide and I will conquer.
We're in Zermatt, Switzerland. Oh, you know this already, because I told you previously on the train and stuff. This is definitely one of my favorite towns in the whole world. No, I'm so fucking excited. I'm just gonna go like this. Woo! Yeah!
I'll divide and I will conquer. I will battle like a warrior. If I'm dying, getting stronger.
Take a look at that beast right there. Gets me so excited. Holy shit. I want to go snowboarding right now though, but we're not doing that today, so whatever. But I think we're gonna take that gondola there, right up to the top of that mountain. And then we're gonna go down on the gondola. We're not gonna ski. It's fine. Anyways, let's go get some photos, yeah?
Somebody's crying, go low. I need your love today. I need you right away. Somebody's in despair. Somebody feels like no one cares.
Oh my god, it's so cold. We've only been up here for like 5 minutes and I feel like my fingers are already freezing. Oh, but look at this.
Somebody feels like no one
We just got to Paris. We drove from Zermatt this morning. And look at this, baby. I was here almost exactly 3 years ago, and they did not have this fence around it that you see, this glass. Oh my god, that's crazy. Why? Why'd they do that? Okay, just get like a picture of me doing it.
I don't mind playing the villain. Got a pretty girl to the throne.
not my fault. This is sick, but I was here like 3 years ago, and the last time there was a huge painting up on that wall, and then paintings like all over the walls around here. So this is definitely different to see. They like just staged this whole area to see the Louvre. I feel like because there was too many people, they didn't want them seeing the like extravagant art that is on that wall and stuff, but that's just my assumption. I don't know.
You're like all I ever wanted, but I couldn't afford.
Holy shit. Our trip was amazing until this one thing happened at the end. So we rented a car in Amsterdam and we wanted to spend a day there when we took the car back. So we were in line for this thing called Flyover Amsterdam. You get in and you fly over and there's like mist and stuff that sprays at you. And we were in line for it and I was just looking around out the building and there was windows in the building, but I couldn't see like all the way up because I was a ways away from the windows. And I was just looking out and I see this guy go flailing. It looked like he got hit by a car, like exactly like in the movies. Like he just went boom, 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 like flailing. And I thought he did get hit. I saw this van and it had, the windshield was all like crushed in and stuff. And I was like, oh fuck, like this guy just got hit. But then I noticed that the van was backed up to a building. So there's no way that this guy could have been hit by the van, right? So I thought that he had to have jumped off of the building behind the van. And this was a tall building, the second tallest building in Amsterdam. So I go over and I was like, what the fuck, like is no one helping this guy? And I see a bunch of people calling and there's some people getting blankets and stuff out and they're helping him. But my adrenaline was going so hard and like I was like almost hyperventilating and I was like, what the fuck? Like this guy just jumped from this building. And after we like went through, like I couldn't even like enjoy the Flyover Amsterdam thing because I was just thinking about this guy jumping. So we had tickets to go to the building that he jumped off of after we did the Flyover Amsterdam. We went up into this building and on the way up they're like, this building is exactly 100 meters tall, so like the height of a football field on end. And we got up there and I looked over the edge and I was just like, fuck. So like if he was falling by accident, that sucked. But we got up onto the top of the building and there were fences that went up and then came over the top, so like he had to have climbed over this fence intentionally. So he definitely committed suicide. I shouldn't say definitely because it could have been an accident and I'm just ignorant to what happened, but from what I gathered it had to have been a suicide. So I couldn't stop thinking about that all day. But yeah, so I watched someone die. That was interesting. First time. Didn't want to see it, but I saw it. Anyways, that's it for the vlog, guys. I hope you half enjoyed it. I spent like 60 hours making it. So, get ready for the next one and I can't wait to see you again. Woo!